Today we're at my dad's house. He's a retired AC guy. A lot of you already know that. But we are changing his AC system out to avoid needing to put one of the new ones in next year or for a couple years. Remember in the video I said it's going to be like a couple years of bugs, a couple years of problems probably. And so Dad said he wanted a new AC system. This one is only 8 years old. You know, again, we're doing it to avoid having to put the new type refrigerant in his house in the next couple years. And in that video that I did, since then, like many customers have gave us a ring about, you know, hey, maybe I want to do something about this, replace it. We're looking at most likely November, December, where we're going to start seeing the new stuff transition in. That's what I've been told. And remember, it's going to be about a 10 to 15% price increase. So I'll say one more time, you know, if you have a 20-year-old system, and a lot of customers we have do, and you know, you're not going anywhere anytime soon, you may consider making that change now.